IronCAD represents a fundamentally better way to design in 3D. If you're new to CAD software, it's a lot easier to learn, and if you're an existing CAD user, it's so much faster and more flexible than traditional 3D CAD systems. IronCAD's advantage starts with letting you design in 3D from the beginning. You can skip the traditional steps of creating a plane, creating a sketch on that plane, and then creating a feature or extrude from that sketch. IronCAD has a unified design environment, so you can design as many parts as you like in the same file. This, of course, makes file management a lot easier when compared to the traditional idea of having many individual files, but the advantages don't stop there. You're designing within the context of the assembly, which is a more natural way of thinking about your design. You can snap to existing parts, and everything fits perfectly first time. This just scrapes the surface of IronCAD's capabilities, so start our free trial and see what IronCAD can do for your business productivity. And start getting more return on investment from every minute you use CAD software.